Hello.
Hello.
Dami.
No. No, I can't. Yes. No, no, sorry.
You know that was put it up.
Okay, too.
Why don't you question the person on show okay?
No, okay.
Kill the one the question the person on.
Go call them at you.
Kill the one the family your way job.
I don't want you to suffer.
You want to suffer.
You may attend to go just or anybody. I went to you, sorrow. Totally solo dream. Copy. You know, anybody, sorry, anybody.
Okay, to solo dream. Oh, my
Copy.
Hello, my country people. How na dey? I greet una according to una time. My people, to read dey. According to Gistlover, the violent headquarter na there for get all this gist to my people. Na no say I belongs to that headquarter. Na there they go collect. So, according to Gistlover, they say Royal Kpekus don turn to Agbero Kpekus. Queen Ola and Queen Dami, wey dey marry the Alaafin of Oyo. Hey, my people, na their matter I carry come tanda for here say make I come touch light o unto wetin dey sup for social media. My people, I think say this September don dey end, say e go end in peace since wey be say Bobrisky come finally go apologize give Tonto Dike. I no know say na another chapter now they don open again unto the royal homes, royal family. My people, make a flashback on our mind about these two queen. I make a come tell una wetin dey sub unto infidelity matter. Una see these two Queen Ola and Queen Dami. Queen Ola na be the last wife of the Alaafin of Oyo. Una know the circumstances surrounding how she take leave the palace. As she can't leave the palace, so according to report, they say she can't go the Kerewa. NC Olomo come package and open cosmetic line for her, many stuff. So when the rest come here say Ola dey cash out to na Anu and Dami come take off comot for palace. As dem take off for palace na Alaafin of Oyo come go Dami house, come go bring Dami come back. When he bring Dami come back, na Alaafin of Oyo come dey friend Dami friend, na there wahala come start before Alaafin of Oyo come kpokporo am comot for palace. Na so she come take leave palace. Now these two queen dem don comot for marriage. Dem no dey for marriage again. Dem no dey for marriage again. Dem don comot for marriage. Yes, so dem don comot for marriage. So dem come go Lagos. The first person when they comot for marriage, na be the first person when they comot for marriage, na be this last wife when they call Ola. When Ola come dey do well, na Dami come comot. And una know say according to report, they say the Alaafin of Oyo, he really like this Dami well. So but Dami say he no go fit because of the kind things where they happen for the palace. The wife their pressure too much. They too dey wahala person. They too dey wahala each other. And apart from that, before they reach their turn, fowl dey grow teeth come back before they reach their turn. So Alaafin of Oyo no dey fit dey meet their demand. So now she come kuku leave. Now when she don leave now, and I know say get the time when she come cry and say Alaafin of Oyo dey threa ten am more, this, that. So even violence headquarter they follow contribute money for her. Yes, so my people no be all those one I carry come. The thing wey be say I carry come be say Queen Ola, when after I don Kerewa this famous Agbero wey dem dey call, na wetin dem write now dey talk, no be me talk am, wey dem dey call MC Olumo. So in friend, so my people make I read am the way Gistlover write am before I go really touchlight this thing. Say Queen Ola after Kerewaring MC Olumo, the famous notorious Agbero, she moved to MC Olumo friend in person of Kuditi. Kuditi, who is a married man and also an Agbero because na National Union of Road Transport guy and MC Olumo dey follow. Kuditu has been the one bankrolling Ola heavily. He was part of those who it was part of those that opened her shop for her. Fast forward to some months after the Dami to after fast forward to some months after when Dami too comot for palace. Na so MC Olomo take Dami to knack am and then pass am to Kuditi. Ola was not okay with this, and it caused a lot of fight between the two queen, that is Ola and Dami. They are fighting on top of person husband. Long story long story short, he put the two of them in the family way. That means he can't give two of them belle. Queen Ola, who is still on the street and doesn't want people to laugh at her, quickly went to comot the belle. Dami plan on leaving her own. Na so Queen Ola started threatening her because she know that Dami will have a upper hand if she ever give birth to Kuditi child. Hey, my people, my people. That means Dami don't get belle for another married man. That's for person husband, for NC Olomo friend wey dem dey call Kuditi. The man, he don't get belle for am. Now, Ola no dey happy say Queen Dami don go carry belle because two of them dey kerewa the same man. After they don leave their husband for palace, so they can't begin the kerewa this guy. Hey, my people, my people. They really talk and say royal kpekus don turn to agbere kpekus. So Queen Ola, with the help of her friend, came up with different tactics, and she sent somebody to take Queen Dami to go and comot the belle. In one word, she dey comot both belle, and even ever since then it has been battle between the two queen. Queen Dami is said to be still keeping her cool because Queen Ola was her senior in the palace, and that is why she still accord her with the respect till today. The fight on top another man prick no be small. Now see this. The people are Tinubu loyal boys, MC Olomo and Kuditi, and some other two. The same person that is contesting for president. Wow, you know what this mean? That will totally take over soon. Shebi them don dey take over before sef. That living the best life, graduate educating people, fighting on social media on top BB Naija. So now waiting, this one are just waiting gist lover, right? So somebody say, I thought it was a taboo to kerewa with king's wife, and if she keeps with another man, she will run mad. Yes, this thing when this person they try to dey talk, they say it is a taboo. If, for example, now say person wey be say don't marry king, can't go kerewa for her side, say the person go run kolo. Now so it be for in those days. Now, this queen them, I don't know how this whole thing be, because before in those days, it was not like this. Queenship na very sacred throne. Once you are a queen, even if you come out for palace, say you no marry again, you go still comport yourself like queen. But these two queen for where kaka, they know they behave like queen. Two of them, they marry Alaafin for you. They come out for palace. Causing go the friend, all this, and I know say all this Agbero people, that they see money, now free money. So, and a lot of things where people they let us they understand. They say this queen one they see. So all these queens, their appetite for money don't large where young guy no go feel they give them that kind of thing. Except now those one where they see free money like this MC and in co friend. All those ones that they see free money. So to even build house or buy house for woman no go be anything for them because now free money. My people, oh, so Now the thing wey be say we hear this married man wey be say that they call Kuditi. Now him wife na dey for this screen when they write wife. Now beautiful wife still. Na Alaafin for your ex-wife then na the Congo dey kerewa. Now wow. The reason why be say these women they go dey kerewa for outside be say the lifestyle wey be say before they look finish, young girls like this they look finish go marry Alaafin for you. Una know say na for the money. And maybe as they marry the Alaafin for you, they no come dey see the way they're supposed to see, and I make them go outside. Now, wetin me I want to ask be say, does it mean that women, because me I know say most women they are very hardworking. Does it mean say woman will be say all these young girls, all this Alaafin for your wife, they no fit hustle make their money? Must they go kerewa people husband before they go make money? Na me I dey ask. So my people at the thing wey be say I carry come. So even violence headquarter now don write letter go give Alaafin for you. Make I look for that letter wey be say they write give Alaafin for you to report in queen to him. So violence headquarter don go write letter give Alaafin for you. Make I read the letter wey be say they write give them to report the queen say see wetin their wife they do. The wife they do in case the name involved for this whole matter, make it know. Dear sir, your ex-wives are not letting people husband in to rest in Lagos, and I will explain, sir. Queen Dami and Queen Ola have become a pest in Lagos, perching on people's husband. Their wives no let me rest, even though whom them they drag na tout. Una share one prick for palace, still come out they share the same prick. I said I should call your attention to it, sir, before proper dragging begin. Thank you, sir. I come in peace. Now I speak Yoruba. Now, no say I no dey hear Yoruba. My people, no be small thing. A lot of people don't they react to this whole thing. Somebody say, gone are those days. They said they don't sleep, they don't kerewa with Oba wife. Now wow. Another person say, Olosho married women don't plenty pass Olosho single girls. Hey, wahala be like waiting again. Make this baba self stop to the marry up and down self. Now waiting somebody talk. Problem in the palace. Break this table abeg. Now waiting somebody talk. Now no say na violent headquarter now we dey. Somebody say Lobota, then don't turn am to hotspot. Now wow. So according to other comments wey be say dem comment concerning this make I read just few comments how people react for this whole thing before I go finally bar break for this gist. As I dey hear more, I go dey let una know. Somebody say wahala no come plenty like this. Bob when one escape, he confess make peace to distract us. Ati somebody they talk about Bob. Somebody say this lover, you don't finally drag Bob leg come outside. He want to leave the country if you're for you alone. Yes, so they say they see Bobrisky for US embassy where they hustle for visa. The heat where they don't give Bobrisky don't too much. So Bobrisky even go for this prayer line for online prayer line NSP waiting. He go there to go receive prayer. Now go 9 days, so he won't take off. Say the heat too much for him. My people also now this one now I say make I carry come on. In case you never subscribe to this channel, I beg make you subscribe to this channel. I go dey bring una more gist as this whole thing dey unfold, my people. I come in peace according to violence headquarter. I just say make I come touch light onto wetin don dey on social media. Make we see how e dey go. Una have a wonderful day. Bye.